Hey there! Does your skin feel dull and tired from the change of the season? This is Tracy, your skincare expert with Biophora. Here at Biophora, we have a two-part medical spa mask that you can do once a week called the Mask Duo. One of my favorites. We have the Enzyme exfoliator, pineapple, papaya, licorice. It acts like Pac-Man that are eating up those dead cells and doing a cellular turnover. Then we have our Multi-Freeze mask, which would be the second product that you would use, part 2. And this is a calming clay-based mask that helps to brighten your complexion, hydrate your skin, minimize your pores, calm down the redness. It's a multi-purpose mask infused with vitamins A, E, C, D, the whole K complex. We leave it on 15 minutes, remove, and then continue with your regular Biophora regime. You can do this once a week and bring that glow back and definitely that hydrated skin.